there, it's Kelly Schaffner. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel for another unboxing. If this is your first time visiting me, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, and if you push the bell, you'll be notified every single time I make a video with an unboxing. And tonight I have a really special unboxing for you. In my mailbox, when I got home from work, I found my Stitch Fix, which is always a lot of fun. And if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, Stitch Fix is a styling service, and a personal stylist will curate a box for you, and they will send you 5 items. And there's a $20 styling fee, which is deducted from any purchase you make from this box. And if you purchase all 5 things in the box, then you get a 20% discount, which is always cool. And I'm always hoping with this box that I get a 5 for 5. I've had 2 5 for 5s, and that was awesome. I do want to open this box today because with Stitch Fix, you have 3 days to try all of your clothing on in the comfort of your own home and to return anything that you don't want. And if 3 days isn't enough, you can contact them, but I've always been really prompt about returning things, and so I have a really busy few days ahead of me, so I want to get this unboxed and try everything on for you this evening. Let's open this box and see what's inside. There will be a stylist note, and I've had the same stylist since I started. Well, this is always fun, and so I hope that she continues to style me. She's been doing a pretty good job, and let's see. And with Stitch Fix, I don't like to look at the prices. I don't like to look at the prices of most of these until I've tried everything on. Shipping is free both ways with Stitch Fix, so they send you a mailer, and then they send a card with everything, prices, and styling card. This is my prices. Here's my styling card. Oh, hello. And they, I'll show you. They give you ideas about how to style everything. Let me just look. Yes, it's still Angelica is styling me. Let's look at our burrito. I see some denims in there. Ooh, there's something kind of pink. I always ask for color, and I see a floral in there, which doesn't look like great big roses, so that's kind of nice. And we have some shoes in here. I did request a pair of booties in any color except for black, so let's just open these right up and see what they are. And they are not black. These are kind of a dark tan colored booty. I like that the heel is also brown and a little zipper on the side. Oh yeah, these are by Diva. So I'm excited to try those on. I hope that they work, and I hope they're affordable. A knit blouse by Kaylee. This is, it's got a tie front detail, a little bit of draping there. That's kind of cool. I like the color of this. So we'll see how that works. This I'm very interested in. Oh, I don't know. I just don't know if I like this style. This is by Alice Blue, size medium, because I like it's kind of a springtime print, but with this top, the sleeves look pretty simple, and this is very sheer and thin, so this is going to need a cami of some sort underneath. And then we have a couple pair of denims here. The first pair of denims has got the raw hem, and I see no seam around the bottom, so let's look. These are by Vera Moda, and they're the Palencia Released Hem Crop Bootcut Jean. Boy, they look short. I guess they're crop pants. I don't know. I don't know about this. We'll try them on, see how they work. And the next, they had another pair of denims. I like the denims I've received. Oh my goodness, these are cut from the cloth. They're a boyfriend jean. And I think these are going to be too big. These are the Kate Distressed Boyfriend jean. And I just purchased some cut from the cloth the other day. So it's got the cuffed bottom. We'll see how long they are either way. So it looks like a pretty good box. Let's try it all out and see how it fits. So this is the Allison blue top and this like spring-like floral color. And I think I am so excited about spring coming that I really like these colors. This is very, very sheer. I did have to put a tank on underneath, and I think this would be a nice transitional piece. The sleeves are not real long. They don't go to the end of my wrist, so I think they maybe need to be worn up like this, and then again they look like a tab sleeve. So that's the silhouette of the whole thing. And this is a style that Stitch Fix has been sending me a lot of, and probably because I purchased them, but my closet at this point is full of this style of shirt. So I don't know if I need this, but I like it. I like it because it's a little bit different from the sweaters I've been receiving. Now these jeans, these are the Vera Moda boot cut crop, and let me stand back, see if you can see the length on these. And I think they're a little different, kind of funny looking. I do have something similar to this that I've had for a number of years, and I still wear them, but I'm not sure. One of the things I like about these jeans is these front pockets here are stitched, so there is no front pocket, but they have the look of a front pocket, and they have a very clean back, and they're very comfortable. I guess I'm just gonna have to look at the price on these and decide if I want to keep them. This is the Kaylee blouse. It's kind of a heather pink blouse with that tie detail in the front. It's got a 3/4 length sleeve. It's got the rounded neckline, very thin fabric. As you can see, it's kind of clinging. I really like. It feels great. I think this would be a very easy piece to wear, but let me show you the silhouette when I turn sideways. I feel like there's a lot of fabric. Of course there's a lot of fabric. They've got this tie detail, but we've got a lot going on there, and I don't know if that's the most flattering silhouette. So I hope you'll be honest with me and let me know what you think about this sweater, because I'm tempted to buy it, probably because it's more colorful, and I like the color in my closet, and I like to wear the color. So let me show you these jeans. These are cut from the cloth, a boyfriend jean. Check out the shoes as well. This is them rolled all the way down, and I think they're plenty long. The cuffed length I would probably wear more often, but I like to have the option of both. They're very comfortable. This is one size larger than I normally wear in cut from the cloth, so they feel super comfortable right now. But I know this brand of jeans, and they will stretch out, and that won't take long. So I think I would prefer a smaller size. With Stitch Fix, you can send them back and exchange, so they would send me another pair if they have them. So that's something to consider. These are destructed, and that's an actual hole, but there is no skin poking through, and they're plenty loose in this size. So I don't think I'd have to worry about that. There are actual pockets here. My hands can go in the pockets, unlike the ones I just tried on. And so not a whole lot of distressing, but a whole lot of room. And I think I would love these jeans. I want to give you a close-up of the shoes, so let me do that right now. All right, here's the shoe shot. So, they're cute. With every Stitch Fix, the stylist will write you a note. So I don't normally read the note, but thought I would this time. Let's see. She says, "Hi Kelly, happy Fix Day. I'm so happy to see you enjoyed your last fix and hope you love this one too. I hope the mint and brown box finds you well and puts a big smile on your face." It always does. "I had so much fun styling you today and pulled some fun pieces for you to try. Let's get to it. I started with the cut boyfriend jeans for you today. These are a wardrobe staple and are super comfy. The boyfriend cut is a more released fix. Let me know how you like them. Pair them with the Alice blue blouse and Diva booties for a casual boho-inspired look. The blouse is a fun pop of color, and it's great with the crisp white denim for a fresh spring look too. She brings up the white denim that I don't have, and I'm still hunting for. She says the booties are super versatile and are great with dresses too. Try them with the jeans and Kaylee top. Have fun trying everything on. Can't wait to see how you love everything on. Enjoy. XOXO and Helica. Now the prices. Oh, so the prices look pretty good. We've got the cut from the cloth jeans, which I'm wearing. They're the Kate Distressed Boyfriend in blue. They're only $78, and I just bought a pair a few days ago, and they were like $89, so that's a pretty good price. This Kaylee Francine tie front knit top in dark pink is $46. The Alice blue Burberry split neck top in orange. That's that orange. I don't have any orange in my closet. This is $40. The Debo Lee perforated leather booty leather. I wasn't sure if these were leather or not. So the leather booty and taupe is $99. I don't know. Might do a little research on this. And the Vera Moda Palencia released hem crop boot in indigo are only $49. So that's a pretty good price for a nice jean. The total of this box is $312. The buy all discount is 25%. I think I might have said it was 20%. It's a 25% discount is $78. So after the styling fee, and if I took the discount and bought everything, it's only $214. So that would be a really inexpensive box. And you know what my first impressions are? This box is good. I don't know if anything wowed me, but everything in it was something that I would wear. So I think Angelica did a good job. If you are interested in trying Stitch Fix, I will leave all of the details in the description box, as well as my referral code. If you would like to use my referral code, you will get your styling fee waived your first month, so you can try Stitch Fix for free. So that's a wrap on the Stitch Fix. And I thank you so much for joining me. If you've stuck around this long and you haven't hit subscribe, do that before this video is over, and share it and like it. And I can't wait to see you again. Thank you so much for joining me. God bless you.